Hello and welcome to this training video where we're going to show you how to use Endress+Hauser's Configurator tool straight off of their website. So anybody can do this. You simply need a little bit of information up front and then you're able to fill in all of the gaps using Configurator. Step one here, we need to go to us.endress.com and here is their website. You want to click on the search button right up here and this is the only information you need. You need the base model code. So for example, if you have a customer or you are the customer and you're looking for an FTL31, but you don't know all of the specifics of the FTL31 that you need. As we all know, Endress+Hauser, it has very customizable parts. They're very specific to every application. So asking for a point level device gets you to the starting place, and then to fill out all the details then gets you to exactly what you need. So here we are using the configurator tool in just a moment. I've typed in FTL31 from the search bar, and then here is the configure button. We want to click on this. Here we see FTL31. We're going to configure an FTL31. Okay, so here is Endress+Hauser's configurator. You'll notice the base model code is still here. And then there are several options that you can select from. So this is where you're going to customize the part to exactly what you need. If you have a general purpose area, you're going to go ahead and click here. If it is non-hazardous, you're going to go ahead and click here. And you'll see how these all have a red bar on the side. Once you click an option, it turns green. We're going to keep going here. Power supply. Let's assume that it was perhaps 24 volt DC and 2-wire. That was needed for the power supply. So go ahead and select here, option 1. If we need a certain type of valve plug, we're going to select perhaps this one, option W. Any of these are options. Sensor design, all the information is here. And if you have any questions, contact your authorized service provider. And then finally, process connection. Let's go with NPT 3/4 inch. Okay, perfect. So you'll see now all of the greens, all the reds rather, are now green. There are also some additional options that you can select. These are completely optional. At this point we have the order code. We have a full order code here, and here it is, FTL31-AA1W2AAVBJ. So that's a full order code. In some cases, you are able to get a CAD drawing straight off of the website, which is fantastic. If you can't get a CAD drawing and you need one, contact your authorized service provider, and they'll have the drawer, I suppose is the word. They'll have the architect of these devices draw something for you, or they may have one in stock. They asked them already. So this is a full order code. If you're looking for any additional features, here would be the optional features you can choose from. So for example, if you're looking for PWIS free, if you're operating in a paint plant, if you're looking for any type of special certificates, and these are all, again, customizable to every single part, but anything you're looking for, here's an additional approval. If you need it to have a marine certificate, you can select these options as well. So I'm going to go through all these real quick here. Accessory enclosed. Let's say we don't need any accessories, but we'd like to include a tag. So marking, we're going to tag. We're going to have a tag here. So notice how this says Z1, and some of these have turned from gray, which is optional, to green. If you scroll back up, we got HCLFZ1. And those have been added up here to the part number. So now that we've gone through all the required options, that's those here, see it says required, and all of the optional options, as you see here, we've now explored and exhausted every option for this FTL31. So there is your full part number. Send that to your authorized service provider for a quote, or quote that yourself if you are a rep listening to this, and there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Endress+Hauser direct or to your local rep, anybody. So thanks for watching.